our school was hit by heavy rains, and the landslides took out most of the ground our school building once stood firmly upon. This destructive force of the nature have disrupted our school activities and the lives of our children and caretakers. The children are now sheltered at a temple nearby. Help us rebuild our school so the children can return to a safe and happy place for them to live, learn, and play. Help us today to rebuild and return the joy of learning to the children in need of Yaowawit School.